This is our home. I'm Sara, and this is my husband, Tom. There's something really special about renovating your home together. It can be quite satisfying.
Because your home is an important part of your life.
We want to update our facade and make it look more modern.
We looked at the various options and made some serious inquiries. And finally, we chose Cedral. You don't need to paint it, it's environmentally friendly, it's recyclable.
And fire resistant and durable. It was love at first sight. It's nice and solid.
A bit like me, really.
And you get to work on something together, which is also nice.
And it has to be ready on time because we're having a party soon.
And by doing it ourselves, we can save some money.
So we can spend more money on the party.
They gave us samples to take home so we could choose the right color and texture.
And how we wanted to install it. There are two options. Cedral Lap, which gives a traditional lapped finish, and Cedral Click, which is a flush-fitting tongue and groove installation.
And we chose Cedral Click color C57, Sage Green. It doesn't require any regular maintenance, and you can easily remove stains with a moist cloth. It's so simple.
So these are the tools I need. This is the tilting saw. I bought this one. I rented the circular saw. I already had this one. So together with the other tools, and that's it.
The preparation with the timber support structure is an important job. Carefully measuring and placing it at the right distance.
They gave us this handy and clear instruction manual in which everything is explained step by step. The principle is actually very simple. First, you install the timber support structure with insulation, then the Cedral profiles, and then the Cedral Click planks. So that's it. And you can also find all this information on the website cedralsidings.com.
This is the damp-proof membrane which protects the wood from moisture.
We installed a ventilation profile at the bottom. It makes sure the air circulates behind the walls and helps protect against pest infestation and debris. The first profile, the starter trim, is important. The angle needs to be really straight.
Otherwise, your facade ends up looking like the Tower of Pisa.
A tourist attraction in our garden. Why not?
He really looks the part in his outfit, doesn't he? It's a special moment, the first plank. Now things go really fast. Just position the clip and screw.
We use the leftover bit of plank for the next strip.
Installing the profiles around the windows also requires a lot of accurate measuring and accurate execution.
Brilliant. We use this profile for the external corners of the window frame, but you can also use it for other corners. we need to work very carefully around the window.
Yeah, nice.
This is the profile for the internal corner. Like this? A bit further.
So far, so good. And then suddenly you notice that your home looks different. Nicer. Better.
Yeah. It's a magical moment. It gives you so much satisfaction. Drinks, anyone?
We're so proud and happy with the result. Unfortunately, I live with a DIY enthusiast.
But you just need to do it. You really get all the information you need, so do it.
Hey, well done.
You too.
Cheers.
Cheers.